So let me find where is the host name. Version. Okay, so dashboard doesn't not show you the host name. Versions we can go. Okay, so okay, so host name. So what we will do is just do one thing. Okay, we'll we can do two things here. Okay, we will. Okay, let's see. So okay, so we will first deploy with this one, and we will deploy to Google Cloud, and we will get a host name, and then we will make a change here, and then we'll do a next push to Google App Engine, and that's how we will have running app. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now, so yeah, okay, do one thing. I have already set up here, so what I'm gonna do here is I will run G cloud IAM. Let me run Google in it. One fresh configuration. Okay. Just wait for some time. By the time it goes, and let me show you what we have to do to make it work. First, we will run npm run build command, which will generate a production build for React app. Here we will see the build folder, and that build folder we have to add in our server.js. So when app, basically we have to give a build location in that express app, so that build, because build will have only the static files, basically the UIs. Okay, so and whenever you hit with slash star anything, and it will give you the index.html file. Okay, so we have to put this one in at the end, and all the get call, it should be above this, because it's star slash star it. So if anything, suppose if anything slash API comes, if you give this one above this, okay, like this. So if you make a call slash API, it might go into this here. Okay, so we don't want that. So for that we have to keep it in the last always, this call. Okay, so whenever slash API comes, it will go here in a accurate path. Whenever we give accurate path, it will go to it will go to the right one. Okay, so this is one change. And port, we have to keep it 8080 only, other, because app engine is automatically run on that 8080 port only, otherwise you will keep on getting 502. Okay, so we will keep 8080 port only. One change is this, and this we will change once we get a host name. And another thing is, this is the directory we are giving build. Okay, so these things we have to change. Now let's see here, let me use my first account. Okay, and which project, let me check what is our project. Here we will see the project is fast fire. Okay, so where is the fast fire, is the third one. We'll give a third one. Okay, and it is set up. Okay, now what I will do is, here is I will gcloud app deploy, do gcloud app deploy, which send, you need to choose your region. We will set 14, and it will take some time. Yes, so this is the path which will open, and it will show our React app, basically our UI. It will show we have to use this path. Okay, so we got that path which we need. Okay, and once you get it, we can cancel here itself, and we can make a change here. So for what we have to do is we have to use, I basically need this path. This path you have to put it here. Remember, don't add any port. You have to keep it default. Internally app engine, whatever port is used, it will use that. Okay, so we don't add any port here. This is one thing. And also in our app.js we have to change, because we added a localhost here. This we will change and we will keep it same. Okay, this is the one thing we have changed. So, and rest all things same. Okay, now what we have to do, it we have to run npm run build. Let it open. What happened? Some problem. Okay, we have to remove this comma from here. It will generate a production build. You can locally run this production build to check if things are working right. Okay, so we if we go to here, we have a build folder here now. Okay, this is pretty much set up. What we're gonna do now is let's deploy it. Okay, yes, you can see it is automatically taking app.yaml. You don't need to specify. You specify YAML. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, so we have to do one thing. We have to add to a Bling project, and I think I need to remove something from here. So can do one thing. You can let me remove some project from the Bling if I have added. This project has doesn't have. Okay, link billing account. Okay, to billing, because okay, so that's what I was expecting. So what we have to do is I need to let me do one thing. Go to management resource and let me delete some project. For example, delete. I remember my last project was triple R. Become triple R only, so I'll keep that project. Other project I will delete. Tactile. Project is 3. You can just, where is the delete option? Single project. Only single project. Okay. Or quickly what I can do is I can go to billing. This let me try now. That works. Okay, it's still not working. Let's move to some other project. This project must move to which I'm not using it. I'll just go there. Go to billing. anything then triple R. Triple R and billing we have it. Let me how to move from here, manage billing accounts. Only one billing account. How to delete? Camera project, you disable billing on this. Okay, now we will move to our project, which is fast fire. Okay, and right, go to billing. We will link this to billing. Okay, now we run this. Just now this should work. The time we will took a lot of time for me to figure out and make it working. So I thought I'll share you guys, and so that you won't be spending so much time on basic setup. These are the basic thing which I was thinking that it should work in the Google App Engine. Shouldn't be so much complicated, but it was taking too much time for me to set up. So okay, yeah, you can go through this blog. I have mentioned everything here for better understanding. I have a GitHub repo as well. You can clone and you can try it out. This one, it is very similar to that what I'm showing you now. If you like it, or if you have any comment, just comment. If you face any issue while following this, these steps, please write it in the comment and I'll try to address. So what happens? Don't get confused with this 3000 port. What we are will do it. App Engine will try to start server.js, and when it goes to server.js, it will look for this. So in App Engine, they have environment variable called port. Okay, if you don't mention it, right, or I never tried that one, but 8080 it will pick up from here if I don't mention any port number here, or if you don't mention it, App Engine by default take 8080 port. Okay, so it will start on the 8080 port. It won't use 3000 nowhere. Okay, so once, so whatever it is running in your app engine, that is running on 8080 port, and how your UI you are getting it using this call. This index HTML will be served for you. So once you have that, your dynamic things as well will work. I have tried in another project with all the tables, dynamically get data from database and all, forming the tables dynamically. All those things pretty much it works well. So you see here it is deployed. Let me run this and we will check how it goes. I'll tell you one more thing, that whatever app we are running it is HTTP app. Okay, and by default app engine run on HTTPS. So I'm not using any certificate, I'm not configuring HTTPS, and we will run on the HTTP only. So when I was doing it, I was also confused why I'm getting 502 every time. Even I'm doing the right approach. I But that was tricky. I was thinking it's HTTPS and HTTP, how that would create a problem, and how that will give a 502, right? So in that way I thought it must work on HTTP, and I tried in that way, and I was right. Okay, so you see here it will, what happened, it is trying to opening it. Can't close this one. So let's close this one. It is taking some time. Or we can do what you should be able to see it here now. If you go to dashboard, your app, you will see, you will no more see create application page here. My system is slow, so it's taking some time. Let me check what is taking too much CPU. Oh, everything looks good. Why is taking too much time? Okay, yeah, it's opening it. Yeah, you see here we are able to see the web page, right? What it did, I'll show you what it did. Let's go here, and you can refresh it. This one you should get page here. So what happened here is, go to network, right? So when you make a call here, right, first where this is, let me go down. Okay, so if you see here, this is a get call, it is making it, and you are getting a one HTML page. Which HTML page? This index.html page you are getting it. So we are starting a server, simple Nodejs server, but we are, for this slash star call, we are serving this HTML page. That's how the magic is happening. Okay, now we will check the health as well. So let me clear this. So one thing is, this is HTTP as it is running, which will throw you error. Let's check it. Right, it will throw you error. Why? If you go to console, you will see this page was loaded over HTTPS, but request was insecure. We are making HTTP backend call, which it will block, right? HTTPS HTTP call over HTTPS is not allowed. So what we have to do is, we have to access using HTTP, and that will work for us. Okay, see, web page we are getting it. Now we will make a call here. We are getting OKs, right? The backend, everything is working fine. If you go to network, we check health call. This is returning a response from backend. Okay, right? Yeah, so this is how it is working good, and we have deployed our app which is running on Google Cloud App Engine. Okay, one more thing I was trying to show you here, getting started. Let's we don't want getting started, or just cancel this one. You can go to versions. Let's see what is there in the versions. This is what we deployed 5.3, right? You see the 5.3, this is a 5.3. Last you can see that is it 5.3. This is the version we deployed. If you click on here, that also open that your thing, but it's HTTPS. You need to remove, you need to open it in HTTP. Okay, this is the way you can do it. And okay, so guys, if you face any issue while doing this, I thought this I hope this will help you if you're facing any issue. And if you have any comment, do comment, and I'll try to address that. And if you want to learn anything, or if you want any problem, if you're stuck with any problem and you want solution, please comment, write it in the comment that you want me to do this video or this solution. I will do that. And if you like it, please comment or subscribe. Okay, and for now, bye bye.